Be excellent with Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other software, and still be missing the important fundamentals of graphic design. Typography is one of the most important fundamentals in graphic design. This course is an introduction to the effective use of type in graphic design. In these lessons, I start from the beginning, so it will be easy to follow for anybody, even for people that never had any formal training in graphic design or typography. The use of video, voice, images, and motion will make your learning experience natural, fast, and lasting. The course is structured in the following way: tools, acquisition of basic knowledge, and a common language is established. Methodology. By using real-world examples, I'll present a method that can be applied to any graphic design project. This method will enable the student to choose the right typefaces with confidence in any situation. Obtain professional results: kerning, tracking, leading, alignment, spacing, and more. Plus a list of do's and don'ts, as well as quick tips that will come handy even to experienced designers. Verification. The use of quizzes will allow the student to gauge their understanding of the most important concepts. And finally, keep learning. Recommended books and online resources are presented for the purpose of ongoing learning, as well as staying updated about current typography trends. Your time is precious. That is why I put a special effort in keeping it short, straightforward, and, if possible, entertaining, without sacrificing content. You will have a lifetime access to the course, and you will be able to follow it from any device.